Welcome to another OfficeLogix Shop tutorial. You can upgrade your gaming Aeron Remastered to have a PostureFit SL, whether you have lumbar support, a regular or static PostureFit, or no support at all. You don't need to drill or modify your chair in any way. It's a simple and seamless upgrade with our soon-to-be patented adapter. To get started, remove the bracket from the back of the chair. The PostureFit SL you'll receive from us is an OEM Herman Miller part, designed to perfectly match the color and aesthetic of your gaming Aeron. Now, attach the bracket to our adapter. This step is crucial. Make sure to align the bracket in the correct orientation. The adapter should be mounted to the bottom part of the back frame, and the inner side of the bracket should face upward. Once everything is positioned correctly, insert the first screw and tighten it. Then, firmly squeeze the other side to ensure the holes are perfectly aligned before inserting and tightening the second screw. That's the hardest step done. Now slide the bracket onto the chair's back, lift the adapter slightly, and push it into place on the bottom part of the frame as shown. Next, grab the PostureFit SL. Insert the prominent part of the bracket into the gap on the PostureFit SL and slide it in. Snap the bottom hook into place. Let's break that down. This prominent part goes into the gap, and this bottom hook snaps in securely at the bottom. To make sure everything is locked in place, push the PostureFit SL hook firmly until you hear a click. You should see it lock into position. For extra security, use the provided bolts and insert them into the adapter, tightening just enough to keep everything secure without leaving any marks on your chair. Congratulations! Your gaming Herman Miller Aeron Remastered chair now has a fully functional PostureFit SL. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on our exclusive innovations that no one else is offering.